Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download and use custom roster in planar mode in NBA 2K26. Very first thing we're gonna do is to download the roster. For that, just head over to features, and now here we're gonna click on create roster. Once you select the create roster option, select the area where you would love to create. So the one where I would love to create is this one, modern one. So there are two options you have here. Either you can create the roster or you can download one. I'm gonna download it, so I'll just select this one, and just right here you need to like scroll through the roster which you would love to download. Just for the sake of this video, let's say I go with this one. So this is the roster we have, and in order to save this roster, what we need to do, we just need to hit start key and just select the option new file. Type your file name. I'll just type LLE3, and just again gonna hit start key. Enter the description. I'll just type 1234 for the sake of this video. Now select the option yes. Again we need to select yes. Again hit yes. And yep, at this point you can see that they are just gonna upload a file. So wait for a couple of seconds here until the process complete. And yeah, there you go, the uploading is done. We can just get back from this and just we're gonna test it whether it's working or not. So for that, just go to play now, quick play, and we're gonna try to load the roster. For that, we need to press left stick, go to my files here, and yep, this is the one which we have saved. So just select that, and yeah, there you go. That's exactly how you can download and use custom roster in planar mode. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.